Hi, my name is Yaroslav, and today I'm with
Gurinder.
Surprise, surprise, video number 4.
Yes.
And we're going to talk today again about mobile.
Yep.
But this time about...
We're going to be talking about publishing sites.
Okay.
And what they offer out of the box.
Cool. Okay. So last time we talked about, was it customizing team sites, right?
Yeah. So we were talking about in specific rendering templates and what you could do with that. Mm-hmm. So that there wasn't a whole lot you could do with it, but it was a lot simpler than implementing your own custom mobile redirect.
Right. Does that still apply for publishing sites?
No, it doesn't actually.
Okay.
So that's one of the things we're going to cover.
Okay.
Those rendering templates were great for team sites and a few of the other sites that we mentioned in the last video. However, for publishing sites, you can't actually use those.
Okay. Well, let's take a look at what we can.
Yeah, might as well.
Yeah.
So if we take a look at this is a typical publishing site out of the box. What I've done is I've applied a theme, created a custom list that has some contact information and we can move it to there just to sort of show you. We've got a few users in here. And, you know, I've added a link to myself and a media web part. Now, if we go to the mobile site for this, notice it's quite a bit different than the team site, so you don't get the image in there, and even the layout is completely different.
So that's out of the box, right?
Out of the box. Okay. Some of the cool things that we will see are the fact that, so our list is displayed right here, immediately contact information. Now, this list was configured in list settings, and I specified that, you know what, I want to only see top 5 hits. So even if the list has 50 people, on the mobile site you don't want to see all 50 right away.
Right.
And we're showing it by job title, so you know you can go into it, you get all the information that you want.
Okay. Well, this is obviously publishing sites are usually used for intranets, right?
Yeah.
Or highly interactive intranets.
Exactly.
This is obviously not the mobile experience you want to show.
No. So the part of here is, I mean, the fact that if you want to go see your images, you actually have to click here and actually open the image.
Yeah.
That's not the most beautiful thing when you actually go out there.
So, and then also notice where's the media that you added? It's not here, is it?
No. So a lot of the stuff we'll see again. The theme did not apply to this.
Okay.
A lot of the other information that I wanted in there. So I had a link to myself. That's not here. Even that little blurb that we had in team sites, the blurb that we wrote actually came up.
Right.
In this case, it doesn't even show here.
Oh, okay.
So that's some of these things are definitely need to be configured.
Right. Okay.
So one of the cool things on here is you can do a workflow right through just clicking. You create a new item, and then you can actually create a workflow.
Oh, okay. Basically, item. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
And this is just a basic overview of what's available out of the box.
Right. Okay. So obviously this is useful, right? For some of the intranets, highly interactive intranets that are using publishing sites, you can use it for starters. But for more advanced ones, especially if you want this to work more interactively on mobile devices, probably we would want to customize something.
You would want to customize it, and you're probably best off using something like a mobile redirect.
Okay.
So again, since rendering templates are not a choice here.
And that's something we talked last time on team sites.
Yeah.
Okay.
So you would have to have a redirect.
Okay. So basically, you're saying that it's basically a separate site collection in SharePoint dedicated to the mobile site.
Exactly. So what you would have, in essence, is a redirect. Once the page is hit, it would force it to go to another page, which you've specified and you've modeled against a mobile site.
Okay.
And that's something that we're going to start taking a look at in our next set of videos. Okay, stick around. So how can people find you on the web? gsman@knowledgetech.com.
How about that Twitter account you promised us to create?
I know, it's in the works.
No amount of peer pressure will change your mind.
It's in the works.
Awesome.
Well,
watch out for our next video and see how we can modify the publishing sites for SharePoint.
Thank you.
Thanks.